Hey there, in this video I will show you how you can prioritize automatic discount. Let's say you have a Shopify store and you have multiple automatic discount running at the same time. How do you prioritize? One product is part of two campaigns, but you want the campaign, let's say the campaign X is going to apply if this happens. This is not possible with the Shopify, the normal Shopify discount. So you have to install the PowerX function creator. Using this app, you can create as many discounts as you can, different conditions, but it is easy to manage everything. So let's start. I have a lot of functions here. Functions are the new way of creating discount, checkout rules, and all these things. It is going to replace the Shopify script very soon. So I have a lot of functions right now. The function types, these are product discount, validation, order discount. These are what I have created. If you haven't done any of these functions yet, just create a function, select one from the list. In this example, I will go with the product discount. I will create two automatic discount, and then I will prioritize one on top of the another one, and we will reverse that as well. I already have a lot of functions here, but I will go with this example function. You can see this is a product type, so it is going to apply a product discount. Currently it does not have any active campaign. Let's go here. You can see these are the campaigns. These are all inactive. You can click on this edit and activate them, and you can schedule them for the future if you would like to. For now, let's remove all of them. I think I don't need this, but you can create as many campaign as you need. Each campaign, think of each campaign as one automatic discount. So there is no limit here. So let's save this for now. And this is my example function. It is not doing anything for now. Empty campaign. Let's create a campaign and I will call it conditional discount. Let's go with the basic, okay? You have a lot of options like customer qualifier. You can select based on different types of conditions. You can go with the cart qualifier, select different types of things. You can also select discount should apply to a specific product, not everything. You can also check how much discount you want to apply. This is of course the necessary part. Let's call this one campaign 1. So this is campaign 1, and the important part is this message. Okay, let's call this one give this one a 10%. I call this discount, nothing special. Okay, this is the discount message that will appear in the cart. This is just for the testing purpose. Your scenario might be different. Okay, this is 10% and it is going to apply to all products. Let's save this for now and let's go to the cart. Let's add a product to the cart. Let's add this to the cart, and the 20% off discount will apply. You can see this message is coming from here. This is the discount message. All right, that's good. Now what if I have the same campaign? I will duplicate this. Let's go to this one. This is going to be the campaign 2, and this one is applying 15%. This is the same condition, okay? And as I said, your case might be different. It might have different conditions. You can set those, or you can watch different videos that we have on the channel about this. Now you can see we have two types of campaign. Both of them are automatic and both of them will apply discount, but they have different discount amount. Now if I come here in my cart, update this, you can see the 10% is still applying here. How can I apply the 15% or vice versa? Okay, if you want to do that, it is very simple. All you have to do is drag this at the top. When you drag it at the top, it will prioritize this one because this one is on top. I will save this. Let's go back here, refresh this. You can see 15% will apply. Now again, I will change the quantity to 2. You can see, okay, still 15% applies. The reason the campaign 2 is applying because it is on top. This will happen for any type of campaign. If you have like conditional or buy X get Y discounted, volume discount, bundle discount, anything, if you put this on top, then that one will apply. That is how you can prioritize different discount using the PowerX function creator app. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any question or any request, any feature that you want to add in the app, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.